Hello, in front of me I've got Nintendo Switch Split Pad Pro. In this video I'll show you device preview. In the beginning, Nintendo Switch Split Pad Pro is Joy-Con-like controller. It's a little bit bigger and it resembles Nintendo Switch Pro controller. You can attach it to your Nintendo Switch from the sides. It's kind of light for this big controller, but it feels firm and quality. Those controllers have Nintendo Switch layout with two additional buttons, assign and turbo buttons, because it has two additional bumpers on the back. Right here, inside the controller, you can find connection status and pairing button on each controller. If you want to play wirelessly, unfortunately, you won't be able. This controller does not have battery, so it has to be connected to the base of the Switch all the time. On each controller on the back you can find serial number. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.